I love this story and I thought of sharing it with you, hence this video. A very famous scientist who had made several very important medical breakthroughs was once being interviewed by the reporter of a very famous newspaper. And the reporter asked him, "How are you so creative? How are you so much more creative than the average person? What is it that sets you apart from others?" To this, the scientist replied that I think that it goes back to an experience that I had with my mother when I must have been about 2 or 3 years old. He said, one day I was trying to remove a bottle of milk from the refrigerator, and because the bottle was a little slippery, it slipped out of my hand and it created a big mess in the kitchen. And then the mother came into the kitchen. Now, the mother didn't, shout at him. The mother didn't give him a lecture, and the mother didn't punish him, because that's what most mothers do. But this mother was a little different. What she did was, he said, "Robert, what a beautiful, wonderful mess you have created. I've never seen a milk puddle like this ever in my life." And then she said, "Robert, now the damage is already done. Would you like to spend a few minutes playing in this puddle of milk?" And Robert was just too eager to do that. So he sat in the puddle and, splashed the milk and had a good time playing with the milk. And after a few minutes, the mother said, "Robert, when you create a mess, you clean the mess also and then restore the things to its original position. So you can clean this mess using a sponge or a towel or a mop. Which would you prefer to clean this mess?" And Robert chose the sponge. And then the mother helped him to clean the mess. And after cleaning the mess, Robert's mother said, "Robert, you dropped the bottle because you didn't know how to carry the bottle. So let's go out in the backyard and see if you can find a way to carry the bottle without dropping it." So they went out, and then Robert filled the bottle with water, and he tried several ways to hold the bottle so that it doesn't drop. Then finally, he found a way. If he kept his hand down and held the neck of the bottle, he could, or he would not drop the bottle. And that day, Robert says he learned a very important lesson, and that is not to be afraid of making mistakes. Because when you make mistakes, you are learning something. And he also said that scientific experiments are also very, very similar. Because when you do your experiments, you are failing. And all your failures are teaching you some valuable lesson. So this particular video is very important for parents. So whenever your child does something maybe wrong, so don't yell at them and don't lecture them and don't punish them, but see how you can turn it into a learning event. An event that the child will remember many, many years from now. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, bye.